Now I fast forwarded where I connected all the power cables. Yes, I know, the most exciting part. So I will go over that right now. As you can see, it's not inside a case, so you guys can see everything. Here, let's start with the hard drive. Here's the power cable right here that I showed you guys earlier. You can see over here the power cord. Over here is a CPU fan which was installed, which can be very easily installed. Tricky, when I said tricky, it's not hard tricky. It's more like easy tricky, where you can, the moment you figure out how to do it, it's very easily done. Here, where, remember when I told you guys earlier where it goes into the fan, which is right here, the CPU fan, the power cord. Anyways, and another one, also the graphics card is right here, the power cable for the motherboard, the long power cable, the CPU fan, which is right here. Here is the CPU fan. We're only using one for this demonstration. And the hard drive, you got the power supply. Yeah, and everything should be connected. Let's just connect the keyboard and see if it all works. Make dua for me, inshallah. There we go. And here's the USB. There we go. Let's not forget the audio. Here's the audio. We're using an built-in audio, which means that the audio, like some type of sound card or something, it's built inside the motherboard. We don't have a separate PCI card. I could install one, but it's kind of annoying to find right now. Alhamdulillah. Here's a floppy drive. Let's just add a floppy drive real quick just to show you guys how the power is connected. So here's the power supply. And remember, the power supply needs one of those small connectors, which is right here, which you can just go inside. See, there we go. And one last thing is, we need a floppy drive cable, which looks like this. The floppy drive cable now is different than the regular, which is this, than the regular ATA cable. See the ATA cable, you got one connection right here and in the middle of it, and then you got another one right here. Where the floppy drive cable is just one straight cable. Of course, this cable kind of looks cooler because, you know, looks like a wire than these old kind of annoying cables, just for maintaining. It costs a couple of dollars, but, you know, it costs just like $4 extra, but I mean, it's very useful if you want to have a clean computer. But, you know, I don't think I'm in a position to say this. Look at all these wires. Anyways, so basically, connect the floppy drive right here. See, it goes right there, and the other one, it goes right where I showed you guys. Now, we don't have a PCI card because I thought it would be easier for us to do this. Let's just move the display cable to the side so we can have some type of room. As you can see here, it should go directly into this. See? Right here. There we go. I believe everything is fine now. Kind of looks weird, but you know, just so you guys can see what's going on. I'm gonna just add a small fan to the graphic card because very quickly. So give me a second.